Now let us know about the add vehicles in detail. Initially go to the transport, go to the add vehicles. This is the add vehicle screen. We can add vehicles by using this screen only. Here we can search the vehicles in the search area. See, we can view the vehicle details by clicking on the view icon. We can update the vehicle details by clicking on the edit icon. See, right now I am updating the vehicle number. At final, click on the submit button. We had successfully updated the data and we can delete the vehicle by clicking on the delete icon. See, we had successfully deleted the vehicle and we can add the vehicle by clicking on the add vehicle button. Coming to branch, select the particular branch in which you want to add the vehicles. Right now I am selecting this one. Enter the registration number here. Enter the vehicle model number. Enter the capacity of the vehicle. Enter the vehicle number. Enter the chassis number. Enter the engine number. Enter the current reading. Select the driver from this drop down list. Here enter the estimated mileage. At final, click on the submit button. See, we had successfully added the vehicle. This is the process how we add the vehicles.